Good morning, students. So today I am going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 7, cubes and cube roots. So first we are going to study about the definition of what is the meaning of cubes. So what is the meaning of cubes? All of you see here. Numbers obtained when a number is multiplied by itself three times. Okay, three times are known as cube numbers. Students, here cube numbers means when we multiply a same number itself by three times, then only we get the cube numbers. For example, all of you see here. Here I multiplied it 2 three times. Okay, it becomes 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Okay, this one I shortcutly write in the form of 2 raised to 3. Okay, and the next one, see all of you here, 3 into 3 into 3, it becomes 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So this, what is the cube of 3 here? It is a 27. Similarly, 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. Okay, this one 3 I wrote here shortcutly as a 3 raised to 3, and this 5 into 5 into 5 I shortcutly wrote it as in the form of 5 raised to 3. So here this 8, it is a cube number of 2. Okay, similarly 27, it is a cube of the 3. Similarly, it is a similarly 125, it is the cube number of 5. So this is the regarding the definition of the cube numbers. Let me repeat one more time. Cube number means when we multiply a same number three times, we get the cube numbers. So today, next students, we are going to solve the exercise. Okay. See the students, all of you here, exercise 7.1. What it contains? First question: which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? See all of you here, very easy problems, all these 7.1 and 7.2, very easy problems. Okay, see first one here. Here we have to find the prime factors of this 216. Okay, what are the prime factors? First we have to find. So this number is divisible by 2. So this 2, it is a prime factor. Okay, 2 1s are 2 8s are 16. Okay, next 2 54s are, again 2 27s are. So this 27 is again not divisible by 2. Therefore we have to take here 3. 3, it is also prime factor. 3 9s are, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. Here the process finish. Next, therefore 216 is equal to, here we have to write all the prime factors putting into sign. 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Okay, students, you have to keep in mind one point, that here the number should be in the triplet form. Triplet, keep in mind this term, very important. So this 2, it is also in the form of triplet form, and this 3 also, it is in the form of triplet form. If the prime factors they are in the triplet form, that number becomes cube. Otherwise, if the number comes here 2, if the number comes here, if the number comes in 2 times, if the number comes in 1 time, that the given number not becomes the cube. So here 2 also comes in triplet form and 3 also comes in triplet form. It means this number becomes a perfect cube. Okay, therefore we have tried sentence here. Here one set of here factors 2 and 3, this 2 and 3 appearing in triplet form. Okay, here factors 2 and 3 appearing in triplet form. Therefore 216 is perfect cube. 216, it is a perfect cube. Let me solve the next one. See the second problem, students, all of you here, 128. First here we have to find the prime factors of this number. 2 64s are, 2 32s are, 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. Okay, so what are the factors of 28 here, 128 here? Therefore 128 is equal to 1 2 3, 2 into 2 into 2, next 2 into 2 into 2. So this is the first one and this is second, and this is remains same one. So it's all of this here, students. So this is the first triplet form, and this is the second triplet form, and this here one number remains, students, here. Okay, it means if the one number remains, I mean if the some factors they remain in some factors they not comes in the triplet form, the given number they not becomes perfect cube. Okay, therefore here, students, we have to write a sentence. Therefore here one set of two not appearing in triplet form. Understood, students, all of this sentence? So this is the first set, so this is the second set, but third step it is not possible here. Understood, students, all of you? Here one set of two, this means this two, one set of two not appearing in triplet form. So this two, it is not appearing in the triplet form. Therefore 128 it is not cube. Understood, students, all of you here? Cube means the given number, it means the given number contains power as a 3 here, 2 raised to 3, 3 raised to 3. So all these are the cube numbers. Understood, students, all of you here? So to become a cube numbers, the prime factor should be in a triplet form. Otherwise the given number it not becomes the cube here. So this first question contains total five problems. I solved 2, and remaining 3 problems, they are the homework for all of you. Let me solve the next questions problems. See the second question, students, all of you here. Find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be multiplied to obtain a cube. Okay, see, students, all of you here. So these problems also we have to solve the first problems like that. Okay, see here 243. See here 243. We have to find the prime factors of this number. So this number is divisible by 3. Okay, 381s are, 327s are, 39s are, 33s are, and 31s are. So what are the factors of 243 here? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 5 3s are here. Okay, here also I wrote 5 3s. Students, all of you see here. So this is the first set of triplet number. But here we don't have the triplet. Understood? Here we don't have the triplet. It means how many numbers we feel less here to become this triplet? How many how many 3s we feel less here to become a triplet? Only one, na? So it means to become this perfect, we have to multiply this number by this 3. Understood, students, all of you? If I write 3 here, it becomes it becomes what number comes? It becomes cube number, na? So it is a method to solve such type of problems. Okay, let me write the sentence here. Here one set of 3 is not appearing in triplet. Here this set this one set, it is not appearing in the triplet form. Therefore 243 must be multiplied by 3 to get a perfect cube. So if you multiply this 243 by 3, we get a perfect cube. So the answer is 3 here, students. Okay, Let me solve the next problem. See the second problem, students, all of you, 256. 256. Okay, first we have to find the prime factors of this number. This number is divisible by 2. Okay, so 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 8s are 2 64s are 2 32s are 2 16s are 2 16s are. Again this number is divisible by 2. 2 8s are 2 4s are. Okay, 2 2s are and 2 1s are. So therefore 256 is equal to 368. Okay, 2 into 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 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 becomes, students, here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So next make a triplet form here. So this is a first set of triplet. So this is a second set of triplet, and here, students, it contains only 2 here. It means, so if you write again 2 here, it becomes triplet now. So therefore here, to become this number, to become this number a perfect cube, we have to multiply this number by which number? 2. Understood, students, all of you here? Here we feel one number less. One here we feel 1 2 less. Therefore here one set of 2 is not appearing in triplet, not appearing in triplet. Okay, therefore 256 must be multiplied by 3 to get a perfect cube. Sorry, multiplied by 2, students. Sorry, all of you see here one set of 2 is not appearing in triplet, so therefore 256 must be multiplied by 2 get a perfect cube. Understood, students, all of you, this one? So the second question contains total 5 problems. I solved 2 and remaining 3 problems, they are the homework for all of you. Let me solve the next one. See the next problem, students, all of you here. Next question problems. Find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be divided. So in the second question we multiplied, but here in the third question we have to divide to obtain a perfect cube. So these problems are also similar to that of second, students. Very easy. Okay, so first to find the cube prime factors of this 81. So this number divisible by 3. Okay, 3 27s are 3 9s are 3 3s are and 3 1s are. Therefore 81 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so this is a first set of triplet, and here this 3, it is a single one here. Okay, therefore here one set of 3 is not appearing in triplet, therefore 81 must be divided by 3. Here we have the 3 na, therefore this number we have to divide by 3 to get a perfect cube. Let me solve the next one, students. See the fifth one, students, all of here 7 or 4. Here first we have to find the prime factors of this number. 2 3s are, okay, 2 5s are, 2 2s are. Okay, next 2 1s are, 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are. Okay, next again 2 88s are, 2 44s are, 2 11s are. Again this number is divisible by this one students, sorry, this 222s are, okay, 222s are 44, and again this number is divisible by 2, 2 11s are, okay, next 11 ones are 11, okay. See here 704, therefore 704 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, again 2 into 2 into 2, and this 11. So next make the triplet set here. This is the first set, okay. So this is the second set. Triplet means the number should be in a 3, okay. So this is the first, and this is, but here we have only one number, students. It means this number is divisible by 11, that much only, okay. So therefore here 11, here, just a minute students, here 11 is not appearing in, you don't write here one set of students, because already we have only one 11 here, okay. Therefore here we have to write only 11, don't write one set or two set like this. Here 11 is not appearing in triplet, okay. So it means we have to divide this number. Therefore 704 must be divided by 11 to get a perfect cube, okay. So I hope all of you understood these problems of third question, students. This third question contains total 5 problems. I solved 2, and remaining 3 problems you have to solve in home. They are the homework for all of you. Let me solve the next problem, students. See the last question of this exercise, students, all of you here. Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticide of sides 5 cm, 2 cm, 5 cm. How many such cuboids will he need to form a cube? Okay, so this problem is very easy, students. All of you see here. See here, what are the given numbers here? Given numbers. What are the given numbers here? For 5, 2, and 5. Understood? So here, so the given numbers, they are not in the triplet form, students. Here we have only 2 5s and only 1 2 here, okay. So let me write the next question. Here all the given numbers, they are not appearing in triplet form, okay. So therefore, students, all of you see here, therefore how many 5s here we have? 2. How much 5 we feel less here to become a triplet? Only 1. Understood? Here we have 2 5s. It means here we feel 1 5 to become a triplet. Okay, 5. Okay. Next, here we have only 1 2. Na? How many 2s we feel here to become a triplet here? 2. Okay. Here we feel 2 less. Okay, 2 lesses. Okay. Here we have only 1 2. It means here we need still 2. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3. This is 1 2 3, and here we have to multiply all these into. Okay, how much comes it is? 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. So therefore, hence, no, don't write there. Therefore, hence he needs 20 cuboids. He needs 20 cuboids. Here we have only 2 5s. Therefore, we need one more 5 to become a triplet here. Here we have only 1 2. And here we need still 2 numbers to become a triplet here. 1 5 and 2 2s. After multiplying here, we get answer as 20. And he needs 20 cuboids. So these are the solution for the problems of exercise 7.1. I hope all of you understood all these problems. So remaining problems you do in home, they are the homework for all of you. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.